Hello, Green Hope High School Orchestra. I am Miss Lewis. I am your new orchestra director this year. I'm super excited to meet you all in person. I know I've met you guys online and some of you in person, but not many. So parents, if you have not seen me before, I used to work at Davis Drive Middle, and I have bachelor degrees in violin performance, and I also have a master's degree in music education. So I'm super excited to teach your students this year. Here's a way for you to stay in contact with me. We have a new website this year. I had to create a new one. So super excited about this one too. You can stay in contact with us via Twitter, or the best way to contact me is via email. I will try my best to get back to you within 48 business hours. We are also going to be using Remind just for a faster way to contact people. And a way for you to get to Remind is to go to our new website under the tab Connect, and I'll show you. This is our new website, and this is how you get to our Remind information. You go to the tab Connect, click on this little arrow, and there is Remind. And all the information for Remind is here. You can go directly to our links here of the orchestra you're in. Or parents, here is the link just for you. If you have not used Remind before, here's a quick instruction button at the bottom, okay? So at Green Hope, we have 3 different orchestras. Concert orchestra, who are beginners and intermediate. This is mostly freshmen with a few students from other grades. We have the chamber orchestra, which is the proficient, and this consists of 10th to 12th graders. And we have our symphony orchestra, which is our highest level, is the advanced orchestra, comprised of also 10th and 12th graders. And here's a little bit about each one of them. This is going to be in our handbook, so no need for you to really worry about this right now. But concert orchestra is going to see me first period. Symphony orchestra will see me for second period. And chamber will see me for 4th period. Okay, so this, I believe, is the same schedule you're used to in the past, which is awesome. All right, so here are some of the material requirements. If you do not have some notebook paper for orchestra, you're going to need some. Also, some staff paper. I can give you some resource. You can get it for free online. Also, we're going to need a folder or a binder just for orchestra. And be sure to bring your own pencil this year. All right, performance attire is going to remain the same if you are new. This is easy. It's just black pants and black top. Okay, so just make sure, ladies, that you follow the instructions about dress codes for if you're wearing a skirt. Fair share. So this year, students are asked to contribute $70 per year or $35 per semester to our orchestra program. So this is going to help us pay for clinicians, buy more strings, instrument maintenance, buy more music for our program. Okay, the way you can pay this, it can be cash or check payable to our Green Hope Fab, which is our Fine Arts Boosters. You can go also directly to our Fine Arts Boosters website, which is greenhopefinearts.org. Okay, this is due by September 30th. Our parent meeting is September 2nd. It's coming up soon, and this is going to be from 6 to 8 p.m. I'm kind of going to go over like calendar and things like that. You probably don't want to miss this meeting, so be sure to put this on your calendar. And that is all. I can't wait to see you all in person. or meet your parents soon. And that's all we have for today. Have an awesome evening. Thank you.